Good afternoon, class. This next lesson that we're going to be covering this week is Newton's laws of motion and as well as gravity and force. I went ahead and posted the standards on here. At the end of this, I want you guys to be able to identify and explain how Newton's laws of motion relate to the movement of objects. I also posted on here the URL link if you guys would like to go online and look at that. Moving on. Here's some essential questions that I want you guys to be able to answer for me at the end of this lesson. I'll go ahead and read those off. Where do we see laws of motion in our daily lives, and how can knowledge of those laws help us? This is really important for you guys to understand at the end of this lesson because I believe the laws we're going to be learning about is going to allow you all to see differently and as well as notice things that you all may not have been able to notice before. The next question I want you guys to answer is to be able to identify two different examples of Newton's laws and specify how each work. This kind of goes along with the first essential question I want you guys to answer just because I think it's important to really take a step back and understand what you guys are learning. Some important people that we're going to be covering this unit is Einstein, who did some really great things, Galileo, which is in the top right-hand corner, and Einstein's down in the left, and the man that we're going to be talking a whole lot about is the man right in the middle, Mr. Newton here. He done a lot of amazing things and will be our main focus for this unit. The main keys that we're going to be learning about is the three laws: inertia, force equals mass times acceleration, and the last one, action and reaction. The final thing we're going to be covering this semester is gravity and force. We're going to be talking about if they're similar or if they're different, and also the properties of both. At the end of this, I think we're going to have a wonderful lesson, and I know we are going to be able to look at these different laws and see how they each apply to our lives.